another video where I go through and find the messed up cars. All right, let's go. Let's dive in here. Hope everybody's doing all right. Yes, the car market is still wild right now, but you can definitely find some deals on here. So we're currently in the vandalized vehicles here. See this one, let's look at this one. This is a 2010 Audi A4. It shows that it was stripped. Let's take a look. It looks pretty normal. Okay, oh wait, there's some damage in the rear. And front driver's side looks okay. Rear passenger side looks okay. Yep, there you go. Look inside, it's completely stripped. There's some center console buttons still there. Infotainment's gone. Speedometer is gone. Airbags. The passenger side wasn't taken off. It looks like that's money right there. Seats are gone. Yikes. Yeah, this car was definitely driven or taken somewhere and just stripped out. But overall, it looks good. I'm surprised they didn't take a picture of the engine. I wonder if the engine is even still in there. Okay, all right, on to the next one. Let's look at some interesting ones. Looks like the camera right here, of course, it was stripped and some damage on the rear. I'm trying to look for some ridiculous one where we can make some fun out of. All right, look at this 2010 Cadillac, 160,000 miles. I got some nice chrome rims. Those rims you can get some money for sure. Flat tire. It's okay. Looks pretty good. What's going on in here? I mean, it looks okay. Just need some tidy. Some TLC. Engine is good. Engine starts. Look at that. Only issue is, yeah, it's 160,000 miles on the Cadillac. And you got the tire monitor system. I think that has to do with the aftermarket wheels. But overall, this car is pretty good. I don't see any issues unless somebody puts some sugar or salt, or I don't know about salt, but I think sugar definitely ruins the engine if you were to put it inside the gas tank. So there must be something that was done. It doesn't show specifics on what happened. All right, let's look at some other ones here. That one was okay. Interesting. Look at this 2005. Look at that. Somebody just jumped on it, on the hood. It's a 05 Acura TL. Pretty dependable vehicle. Something going on with the roof. Definitely. Oh yeah. Did somebody fall on it? Somebody decided to jump off the roof and just land on this perfectly working car. Leather is definitely peeling. It's not too bad. Well, other than the roof, that's definitely some repair that needs to be done. Engine looks good. There's some oil leakage right here. Definitely aged for sure. 100,000 miles and it's already leaking oil on the valve cover. Yeah, definitely needs some work. Yeah, I don't know about any body shops that can repair that. I'm sure anything can be repairable. Interesting. Not too bad. That's a doable car. And see how much carry. Current bid is $300, and they are on a minimum bid. Minimum bid. Basically, they have a reserve placed. For instance, the insurance company or whoever it is wants to get rid of the car at a certain price. But that could be a good deal if you can agree. If the seller, whoever it is, agrees on a good price. Let's look at some more. This Chevrolet truck. Let's take a look. In Atlanta. Current bid is $1,300. The auction's happening right now. 155,000 miles, based off of Tennessee. This vehicle came from Tennessee. Yeah, there's some definitely got lifted. Front end bumper is gone. Look at the rear tailgate. Everything looks fine back here. Those are the basic wheels. Yeah, definitely got stolen. It was stolen, and somebody took out the screen or whatever stereo system they had in there. Engine is still there. Could be a good buy if you can get a sweet deal. Because all of these, of course, you can get from eBay and just install it. And it's a good working truck. Of course, you have to go over there and see if the engine pulls any codes. All right, let's go on to the next one. I'm trying to find some wild one where it's just ridiculous. This is the primary damage. Let's look at this BMW 335. Yeah, it looks pretty good on the exterior. All right, you see those scratch marks there? Wow, yeah, somebody hated this guy. Carbon fiber. I'm not sure if that's even real back here. It looks like that's stock height, I believe. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. All right, interior looks really good. Look at that leather. Engine looks good. Go fast bits. Yeah, engine's not started. I think this is just basic lights when you put in the key. Yeah, this one could be a good buy. Oh, secondary damage, mechanical. Probably doesn't even start. BMWs, man, a lot of issues when it gets older. I think from what I hear from history, it's just a whole bunch of gaskets are not really good, and they can become brittle and cause issues. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stripped vehicles here. Oh, look at this one here. 2019 Dodge Charger. Ooh, what a supercharger 6.4. Is this a Demon? Look at the current bid, 15,000. So a lot of people are looking into this because look at the miles, 34,000 in running drives. Progressive is selling it on minimum bid, meaning they have a reserve. Let's take a look. Yep, okay. Oh man, this is another one, another victim. Bullet holes. Hope the guy, if there's anybody in there or was in there when the bullets were flying. Yeah, look at that trash bag. It's a bad sign. Engine still looks good. Not much issues there. Yep, bullet holes again, man. Whew. Wow. Well, it's not a supercharger. I don't know why they put the SC on there. I think it says Scat Pack. This could be a good car if anybody gets it, or meet the reserve. All right, let's look at one more. Hopefully we can find a great one. There's another Dodge Charger. Let's look on the next page and see what we can find. Another Dodge Charger, 2017. 69,000 miles, ain't bad. I'm not seeing anything. Let's look at this Tesla. What's going on here? All right, look at it. Look at that bid, man. Everybody wants this thing. 29,500 is the current bid. On minimum bid, there's a reserve. I'm not sure why it didn't show us the miles. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can tell that the battery is definitely depleted because the airbags has gone down. I believe that's just my assumption. It looks really good on the exterior. The interior looks okay, not too bad. Look at the steering wheel, it's all the way to the left, and the steering wheel is straight. Oh, okay. All right, so it's turned a little bit, so there's no issues with steering, just based on the pictures. I'm not sure what's going on with this car. I don't see any signs of vandalism or anything like that, so alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you can do to help the channel. There's a link to my store on Amazon. Welcome to buy any car parts there. Well, it's just car accessories. Well, you guys take care. Thank you for watching.